Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the background video using Filmora 12. This new Filmora got a lot of features, okay? So we are going to start. I got a video here. I'm gonna add it to my editing tab and I see a photo. I'm gonna meet it. Okay, so this is the video I want to remove the background from, okay? I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna select it. When you select it, you got video, audio, color. Okay, so you can use if you want this tool called AI Portrait. Okay, as you can see here, when you select AI Portrait, automatically you got a background that have been removed. So I can add a picture. I'm gonna add this picture as a background. I'm gonna do like this. As you can see here, the background is gone. It looks very nice. Perfect. So this is the fastest way to remove a background from a video using Filmora. Okay, I'm gonna show you the second method. The second method will be select the video and come to Smart Cutout, enable it like this, and then click here. Okay, so from here, what you are going to do is just to select the object you want to remove the background from like this. Okay, as you can see, it's already selected. So you can change it from here. You can see how it look like. Okay, you can go to background transparent and you can play with the edge like this. You can see it's moving. You can see slowly until you do what is best for you. Okay, when you're done, you click start. So it's gonna do the tracking. It's gonna take some time. It depends of how long your video is. Okay, it's done. When you're done, you click save. As you can see, this is the background. You see here, and perfect. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.